Good morning, CMS. Today is Tuesday, September 29th. How about we stand for the Pledge of Allegiance? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, today's menu. Choice A, cheese ravioli with marinara and Parmesan cheese, garlic Texas toast, seasoned corn, side salad, mixed fruit, and fresh fruit. That is for choice A for today, which is Tuesday. Choice B, sausage pizza. Now, for Wednesday's menu. Choice A is Doritos Extreme Walking Taco, refried beans, cold veg medley, veg standing for vegetables, cold veg medley, peaches, and fresh fruit. Now, choice B is stuffed crust pizza. Now, for breakfast for Wednesday, you have Cinny Mini with banana and milk. Make sure you are filling out your lunch form because we need to get the right tally for the lunch staff. Thank you. Now, we move on to hot stove baseball. So if you play baseball, I would be paying attention to this. If you are interested in the hot stove baseball program, please pick up a flyer outside the office in the Student Information Center. There will be a meeting on Saturday, October 10th at the Westfield Baseball Fields. Noon to 1:30, ages 10U and 11U will be meeting at that time. And then from 2 p.m. to 3:30 p.m., ages 12U to 13U will be meeting. Players and parents should arrive approximately 15 minutes prior to their time slot. Thank you. Now, Student Council will be hosting our Socktober Drive from October 12th to October 16th. Socktober is a national movement where socks are collected and donated to local needy homeless before the cold weather begins. The socks are collected will be given to the Lodi Family Center and the Battered Woman's Shelter. Any donated socks should be new. That's kind of a no-brainer. In their original packaging and can be any size and gender. We collected 1,350 pairs of socks last year and are hoping to beat that number this year. In-school students, you will be bringing your donations to home base during the week of October 12th. For those who are learning remotely, a bin for easy drop-off will be provided outside of the cafeteria doors during the week of October 12th. Attention all 8th grade boys. Basketball open gyms start on Monday, October 5th at the Rec Center from 2:45 p.m. to 5 p.m. If you have any questions, please contact Mr. Murphy. Now we are moving on to Spirit Week. We just had America. Now what you should be wearing is Tropical Day. Now we're moving on to Wednesday. All right, that sound you hear right now, I wonder what it is. What is Wednesday? That's right, everybody. It's Pajama Day. Pajama Day for Wednesday. Get your PJs on. Just roll out of bed and you can walk to school. Or, drive if you want to do that too. Or, take a bus. Next up, we have Camo Day on Thursday. There are students that I'm not going to know are actually in my class. Lastly, we have Cloverleaf Spirit Day. That's right. Get your Cloverleaf gear on and do all that good stuff. All right. We now have shout-outs. Today's 6th grade shout-out goes to none other than Camden Carter. Congratulations, Camden Carter. Next up, we have the 7th grade shout-out. The 7th grade shout-out goes to Gavin Forbes. Congratulations, Gavin. Lastly, on the 8th grade shout-out, we have Madeline Beers. Congratulations, Madeline. And now for the teacher shout-out, we have Mrs. Harris. Congratulations, Mrs. Harris. Now, for the bulletin board. For the bulletin board, we have CMS Picture Day. That's right, I've said it a million times. We have pictures on October 9th. Now, the quote of the day: no act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Now, students, remember your Colt pride, be responsible, be respectful, and be safe. With that being said, I just want to say have a happy Tuesday and be blessed, Cloverleaf. Thank you.